Susan is always there for me and gets me through my toughest days with her lighthearted, affectionate, and caring personality. I don't need anything else in my life because her love is everything to me.
Dan is my comfort and security. He is my eyes and ears whenever I can't see or hear something. He is my advisor, and at times he can be my best friend and voice of reason. We've gone through a lot together in 12 years, and I can't imagine going through life with anyone else.
In sickness and in health.
For richer or poor.
For richer or poor.
With this ring.
With this ring.
I thee wed.
I thee wed.
Sickness and health.
For richer or poor.
For richer or poor.
With this ring.
With this ring.
I thee wed.
I thee wed.
By the state of Texas, I now pronounce you husband and wife. Congratulations, you may kiss your bride.
Thank you guys, this is awesome. Y'all are the best. This is what Susan wanted to say. Y'all are the best.
Love you. No matter what happens today, however it goes, I appreciate all of you. All your help for being here for us.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
So nice. Yeah.